This kit makes one-person brake and clutch bleeding straightforward, with a hand pump that can generate both vacuum and pressure for different service tasks. The metal pump body is built from a zinc and aluminum casting that feels solid in the hand and stands up well to regular shop use and exposure to brake fluid. Beyond bleeding, it doubles as a diagnostic tool for checking vacuum and pressure on fuel, coolant, and other automotive systems, which adds real value to a home or professional garage. The included fluid reservoir is sized well for typical bleeding jobs, so you can draw out a useful amount of fluid without constant emptying or messy spills. Its handle and trigger layout are comfortable and intuitive, allowing extended use without excessive hand fatigue, which is important when working on multiple vehicles. Overall, the kit is thoughtfully equipped with hoses and fittings that cover most common automotive applications, making it a versatile and reliable choice for routine maintenance and troubleshooting.